this video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive link for downloading files. It is very easy. Mostly people get confused. What is this link? I'm going to teach you in very simple way. Just go to a drive. Go to a drive. Suppose this is the file you have to share. So basically, what you have to do, right click on uh, the file. Get shareable link means you have to go to drive and then you have to click get a shareable link. So in this, what's done, what options we have to select? Let's see. Go to the option, click anyone with the link can download, and see, you have to also to click an editor option, so that if this link goes to any 100% they can download the file. So what you have to do further, you have to go to copy link. When you just copy link, you can email also, you can WhatsApp also, you can Telegram also. Any of the person can download this file using this link. So suppose you don't want another person to download, so then you have to again go to this file, this mail, get shareable link, means you don't want another person to download with that link that you have shared. So what you have to do, again you have to go to option and you have to select restricted. Means when this link already you have shared to 100%, those 100% can't download now. Means you have restricted the file to download. See, basically this is the idea. Main is, this is editor. If you select this option, the opposite one can download. If you go to restrict, no one can download the file. Thank you.